In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a simple 3D logo rotation animation in After Effects. This is perfect if you want a clean, professional-looking logo intro without getting overwhelmed by complex settings. We'll go step by step, starting from importing your logo all the way through to adding smooth, polished motion. First, you'll need to bring your logo into After Effects. Make sure you have your logo file ready, ideally as a PNG with transparency or a vector file like an Illustrator document. In After Effects, go up to the top menu and choose File, then Import, then File. A file browser will open. Navigate to where your logo is saved, select it and confirm to import. You'll now see your logo appear in the project panel. Drag that logo from the project panel down into your composition timeline so it becomes a layer you can work with. If you don't have a composition yet, create one first, then drop your logo into it. Now let's turn your logo into a 3D layer. In the timeline panel, look for the switches and modes columns where you see different icons. Find the cube icon for the layer that has your logo. Click that cube so it becomes active. This tells After Effects to treat your logo layer as a 3D object, which allows it to rotate in 3 dimensions instead of just flat on the screen. If you don't see the cube column, toggle the switches and modes button at the bottom of the timeline until it appears. Next, we'll animate the rotation of your logo. Select your logo layer, then press the R key on your keyboard. This opens the rotation properties. You'll see options like X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation if it's a 3D layer. Since we want a spin that looks like it's rotating around a vertical axis, we'll use Y rotation. Click the stopwatch icon next to Y rotation to create your first keyframe at the current time. This keyframe locks in the starting rotation value, which is usually 0 degrees. Now, move the playhead further along the timeline to where you want the rotation to end. For example, drag the playhead to 1 or 2 seconds later, depending on how fast or slow you want the spin. With the playhead in the new position, change the Y rotation value. You can do this by clicking and dragging on the numbers or typing in a new value. For a full spin, change it from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. After Effects automatically creates a second keyframe at this point, and your logo will now rotate from 0 to 360 degrees between those 2 keyframes. If you'd like to add more depth to the scene, you can create a camera. This part is optional, but it can make your 3D rotation feel more dynamic. Go to the layer menu at the top, choose New, then Camera. A dialog box will appear with camera settings. You can usually accept the default settings for a simple setup and click OK. With a camera in your composition, After Effects treats the scene as if it's being viewed through a real camera, which opens up more advanced movement options later on. To make the motion feel smooth and professional, we'll adjust the keyframes using Easy Ease. In the timeline, make sure your logo layer's rotation is visible and both of your Y rotation keyframes are in view. Click and drag to select both keyframes, then press F9 on your keyboard. This applies Easy Ease to the selected keyframes. Instead of rotating at a constant speed, your logo will ease in and ease out, starting and ending more gently, which usually looks more natural and polished. Play back your composition from the beginning and watch your logo rotate in 3D space. You now have a clean, smooth 3D logo rotation ready to be refined further or used as is in your video.